name is Jonathan Perez, and this is Escape Room VR. This was a solo project. The goal for this project was for me to be able to learn how to implement a VR game. The goal for the game is for the player to escape an apartment. I created an escape room in 3D basically. I grew up playing a lot of Flash games, and escape rooms were some of my favorite, and which is also an influence for the making of this game. So here we have a few screenshots of my intended goals in the beginning of the semester, and I would say that this project meets the intended variation of the goals. So the user starts off by looking around the first room, and they are able to find the key card in there. The goal is for the user to search how they are able to use this key card. When they destroy the barriers to the safe, they see that the safe only contains one item, which is a wrench. A text appears to the right of the bathroom and hints to the user that they should use that wrench in some way. Here in the bathroom, they are able to destroy anything that could easily be destroyed by a wrench in real life, which is anything ceramic in here. More specifically, they can destroy the toilet and the shower. The user can then search through the pieces to find another keycard. Once this keycard is found, they are then able to use this in the fourth and final room, where they are able to destroy the wall that will lead them to escape the apartment. And then they're congratulated at the end here. I would say that although there had been a few creative 2D rooms, I would rate this project as creative and unique since I am not aware of too many 3D VR escape rooms, especially one that allows you to just turn the whole apartment upside down to be able to escape. I would definitely say that this game looks uh finished from where this has started. Especially after all the bugs I was able to clean up through a lot of Googling and lectures, which were both fun and insightful. This game is functioning as it should. I still can't believe I had an idea in my head and on my notebook, and here it is in VR, just as I had planned it. So two big ways in which I pivoted was for the transition from a physical key to the door to a key card and a scanner. Through this change, I feel like I learned a lot actually. When writing the C Sharp script, I started to really understand how C Sharp and Unity were working together, which was a great aha moment for me. All I thought about was how many things are possible through these scripts and Unity working together. Another pivot was from a knob to open the safe to a keycard scanner mechanism. The way that I had learned to open doors and grab box colliders didn't allow for the combination to happen really. There is a way I could have implemented the combination for the doorknob, but that would have required the user to have to grab the air around them to hold on to the new box collider when the first number was inserted correctly, and then grab another new box collider when the second number was inserted correctly. So the user was basically going to have to guess where in the air to hold to be able to find the invisible box colliders, which isn't really intuitive since it's not how we open safes through a knob in real life. But the key card scanner mechanism also really helped me learn how to keep implementing within the same script because I was able to create a few changes to the game per swipe of the key card. For example, I destroy the walls and create text. That was really when I learned what exactly the keywords inside of C Sharp are, such as prefab and the different methods. and learning that some methods can actually be erased from a file. I would use more time to be able to create more rooms. I think that there's so many different ways to get creative with the items that you can get, when you can use them, and how you can use them. I would love to explore these as I know I would be able to learn more about C Sharp scripts and Unity as a whole. Here's a list of models, programs, and other assets in which I used in making my final project. This included Blender, Unity, the Oculus Quest 2, and some Unity assets from the Unity Asset Store. And finally, I just wanted to thank you all for a fun semester full of so much knowledge. It was such a great experience being able to develop in VR, and this class has greatly exceeded every expectation I had. So thanks again.